I'm going to be celebrating Jamaica's 50th independence anniversary in many ways. One of the ways is I'm reading some poetry at the service that we're having this year on July 21st. I'm reading a poem by the Honourable Louise Bennett, and I'm reading another poem by Claude McKay. And there'll be various parties and various drinking occasions. And I'm also going to be watching the 100 metres. I think it's wonderful that we've got the Olympics in London, and we are expected to win everything in the Olympics, in the sprints anyway. I think it's a wonderful fate. It's serendipity that the two have come together. And as a Jamaican, it's wonderful to be able to celebrate something really positive about the island, because we do get a lot of negative press. But if you dig into the history of Jamaica, Jamaica is the most wonderful, profitable and ingenious country, in that the people are ingenious and talented and brilliant, like we are.
Festival Jamaica!
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.